Hi everyone, now already Wednesday and we're going to Central Pattaya from our hotel. Our friends send some location and we will show to you, maybe it's interesting for you. Shaira changed dress, but maybe cold inside, Shaira.
Your hand there.
Okay. Okay. I still not upload video, already 3 video I cannot upload from this hotel. Very poor connection. I think today more hot than yesterday. I feel really hot. But still it's okay for me. I like hot. We already eaten many different places. We just not always use camera. And I think in Terminal 21 it's more cheapest than in another restaurants. Of course, if street foods you want to eat more, maybe cheaper, but I mean in restaurant, food court, in Pattaya, I think Terminal 21 is cheaper. And I think more comfortable because you eat in with aircon and many choice in Terminal 21. Sometimes Shaira don't want it in another place. She said, oh, in Terminal 21 it's very good for it. We're already near Beach Road. It's 2 minutes walking only. And now we will take jeepney tuk-tuk to Central Pattaya. Okay, let's go. Let's go through Central Festival, is better because outside so hot. Oh, so many people in food court here. Many Russian Shaira here. Usually Russian people go with family. We already near. We're going to Space, Time and Cube 6th level. Space and Time Cube. Shaira also did filming. Thank you. two ticket
combo
combo, yes.
คนไทยไหมคะ
See price. Thank you.
enjoy
Entrance. This is ticket. Shaira, it's your ticket. Okay, let's go. Hi. Shaira under the water. We are in the aquarium right now, under the water. Okay, let's go. Another. Take a look, this is water before we are filming here in the not open here. Look like a portal space. Okay, come back. Another. Look like kitchen. Ah, it's kitchen. Shaira, take a look. Kitchen, see. look like space. I think who work here cannot long time stay. Yes, you feel drunk. I also. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Can you work same, Shaira?
It's okay.
Can? Not drunk? What is this?
And photo.
Okay, okay. No, I think it's not interesting. Давай another. Yes. Okay, Shaira, you can make up here. You can use different. I take video now. Shaira, why you... Yes. If you touch, have light. You can write your name, Shaira, here. And put sticker. Russian, many Russian people. Thai. Putin good. Putin good. There's so many Russian. In Tagalog, Shaira. Something in Tagalog. Leon not here, yes? It's okay. I think it's need time, wait. Now 4. Moby Dick. Moby Dick already have. Pinocchio after 15 minutes. Pinocchio or Pinocchio? How to say? Pinocchio? Because... Sorry guys for my English. I just say how... Teach me. No one teach me. Only Shaira teach me. If I ask in Shaira, how to correct to say in English, and she say how to. But sometimes Shaira also don't know. That's why please not say bad comment about us, about our English. We say it 1 minute. Shaira will sit.
เลือกได้เลยค่ะหรือว่าลงมา You can choose. Choose. Sit over there.
Move. Ah, like this?
No eating, okay?
Okay.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Beautiful day. I just ran out of my railroad reserve. I just fell crap. Very happy to help me. Come on, mister. Get the radio brakes on. Looks like you won't start tonight. You're not welcome.
I hope my I can learn from you someday.
Are you okay, Shaira? Not scared?
Little bit scared.
Little bit scared.
Yes. But it's good.
Good?
Yes.
Okay.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
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 Excuse me, it's already last. Last already, last. Ticket, Shaira, where?
Last ticket. You can ask and
Ah, okay, okay. Okay, thank you. Please comment about it's good or not? Who have already experience? But I will ask Shaira. Shaira, do you like? Maybe in the Philippines also have same. What do you think?
Yes, have also.
Have where? In Manila?
Manila only.
Maybe in San Fernando? Not San Fernando, Pampanga.
Yes, in San Fernando have also in Pampanga
Uh-huh.
and Manila.
In Manila, okay.